Hey peeps, it's Suzette from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an AP Maths question on continuous or endless fractions. In this question, we are given that the left-hand side is 5 over 19, and the right-hand side is 1 over a fraction that has a reciprocal 3 times. So if we have a particular fraction x over y, it's equivalent to 1 over y over x, because we could tip and times. So what we can do is we can say that our right-hand side is actually the same as 1 divided by 19 over 5. So we take the reciprocal. Then we can split the 19 over 5 into a whole number part and a common fraction part. And that's going to give us another fraction. We could do this again. So we can say 1 over 3 plus 1 over 5 over 4. And again, we have an improper fraction, and we can rewrite that with a whole number part and a fraction part. So that 5 over 4 is the same as 1 plus 1 over 4. Okay, so now if we have a look at the pattern we were trying to get to, the A value is the same as the 3. The B value is the same as the 1. The C value is then the same as the 4. And so we can conclude that A is 3, B is 1, and C is 4, which is what our question asked us to find in the first place. Find the possible integer values of A, B, and C. Okay, so before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.